Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make crispy chicken kebab, Dhaba style. It's an awesome starter recipe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's start cooking. Let's check out the ingredients. This is 1 kilo chicken with bones, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, some salt, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon chaat masala powder, 2 tablespoons of rice powder, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. You can use lemon juice as well. Give all of this a nice mix. Masala should coat well on the chicken. Set it aside, let it marinate for 30 minutes. It's been marinating for 30 minutes. Time to fry the kebabs. Heat oil for frying. Keep the heat on medium. Carefully add the chicken pieces. Coat well with the masalas and add them. Fry them in 2 batches. Let it cook for about 7 to 8 minutes on one side. Keep the flame on medium. When the chicken gets golden on one side, turn the other side and fry for 8 more minutes or until the chicken is done. Chicken is well done, nice and crispy. Remove from the oil and transfer to a paper towel. Let's fry the second batch also. In the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 2 onions sliced, 6 to 8 green chilies, a cup of green and red capsicums, and full of curry leaves. Saute it for about a minute. Now let's add the fried chicken. Add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. Mix thoroughly. Let the chicken coat well with the sauce. It's a simple recipe. Give it a try. These are crispy outside and very juicy inside. Do share your feedback about the recipe in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.